اللہم رب زدنی علما، اے میرے رب مجھے علم زیادہ دے، آمین۔ السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ۔ پیارے بچوں، آج کی کلاس میں ہم تعوذ کا ترجمہ یاد کریں گے۔ تو پہلے تعوذ و تسمیہ پڑھتے ہیں۔ پڑھیے تعوذ، اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم۔ تسمیہ بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ صفحہ نمبر 2، حصہ دوم، نماز۔ تعوذ، اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم۔ ترجمہ، میں نکالے ہوئے شیطان سے اللہ تعالیٰ کی پناہ چاہتی ہوں۔ بچوں، آپ میں سے جو لڑکے ہیں وہ چاہتا پڑھیں گے اور جو لڑکیاں ہیں وہ چاہتی پڑھیں گی۔ تو ہم اب اس کو دوبارہ دہراتے ہیں۔ ترجمہ، میں نکالے ہوئے شیطان سے اللہ تعالیٰ کی پناہ چاہتی ہوں۔ دوبارہ دہراتے ہیں۔ ترجمہ۔
Assalamu alaikum children, this is your second time. Okay, now today we are going to repeat days of the week. Now repeat with me: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. There are 7 days in a week. Okay children, now today we are going to learn some shapes. Which shape is this? Circle. Now repeat with me: circle, square. Okay, now start counting with me. Number 1. This number is 1. Now repeat with me. Number 2. Number 3. 4. This number is 4 and 5.
How are you all? I hope you all are fine. This is your book, All for Us. Open your book. What's your poem? Read with me. 2 little dicky birds. Now start with me. 2 little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Repeat with me again. 2 little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to do English work. This is your English Early Learner book. Page number is 3. Ask your mummy to open the page. Page number is 3. First of all, you have to write date here and write day here with the help of your mummy. Ask your mummy to write date and day. Trace these straight lines. This is your pencil. Put your pencil like this. Hold your pencil like this and put it on the given dot and make them join. Dot to dot, dot to dot. Come down, down, dot to dot, dot to dot. Stop. You have to complete these lines with the help of your mummy. Your tracing should be neat and clean. Finish these lines. Copy the colors. You have to trace these lines with the help of the given specific color. Here I have 3 colors: green, red, and the last one is purple. A purple, as you can see, a purple color. Hold your color pencil like this, put it on the given dot and make them join. Dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot. It's done. Now, what is the next color? A red color. Put your color pencil on the dot. Dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot. It's done. It's same like as before. The last color is purple. Which color is this? A purple color. Put your color pencil on the given dot and make them join. Dot to dot, dot to dot. It's done. You have to complete the work with the help of your mummy, and your work should be neat and clean. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Now your second activity is sponging. Okay, now mothers, the objective of this activity, it's improve your child concentration, coordination, control and independence, and it's improve your child muscular coordination and fine motor skills. Material required for this activity: a sponge, hand towel, 2 balls and water, and activity duration is 10 to 15 minutes. Kindly mothers, help your child and arrange these material. This type of 2 balls, one is empty and one is full of water. Now here I have to use this type of ball, 2 balls, and this type of sponge. You can take any sponge. First I have to place sponge in the water and press it down with the hand and then release and squeeze the sponge in the other ball. Now do it again. Press the sponge like this and squeeze in the other ball. Okay, now gently place the sponge again in the water and press it down, release and squeeze in the other ball like this. Squeeze. Okay, now do it again. Press it down, release and squeeze it. Okay children, now let the sponge resume its original shape. Okay children, now do it again. Gently place the sponge again, press it down and squeeze into the other ball. Do it again. Press it, then release and squeeze. Okay, so children, here all the water falls into the other ball and squeeze it. Don't worry if your water is spilling outside the ball. Wipe it with the help of towel. Okay children, I hope you like this activity. It's done and it's finished. Look at this. Now do this activity at your home with the help of your mummy. Thank you.